A function can be represented by an input-output table. The table below is for the function y is equal to x plus 2, okay? All right, so now, notice the equation is here, and notice the values are put. Input 1, output is 3. Input 2, output is 4, okay? So that they are, if it's balanced, then it is correct, okay? Let's move forward down here at our examples. It says complete the input-output table. Write an equation for the function, then copy and complete the table. Okay, this is in your textbook for our class example. Okay, for our class example, it says the output is twice the input. Okay, so what does that mean when it says that the output is twice the input? Well, let's take a look. We're going to find us a sheet of paper. Now, it says the output is twice the input. So the output is equal to twice 2 times the input, okay? And so once we have put in our equation based on the wording or based on the information, then we check, okay? And so then y would be equal to 2 times 0, okay, which would give us y is equal to 0. And then here, 2 times x equal to y. Y is equal to 2 times 3, so y is equal to 6. And then 2x here, in this case, 2 times 6 makes it 12. And in this case, 2 times 9 makes it 18, okay? And that would complete our table. We would have 0, 0. We would have 3, 6. We would have 6, 12, and we would have 9, 18. And that would be the completion of our table, okay? Now, let's move forward. Here, you see the examples are here, the answers are here. I just went through the steps with you, okay? Down at the bottom, you want to give the practice questions a try, okay? And then when we have our class conference, we will discuss those, okay? Let's move forward to example 2 for our notations or our notes, okay? Now, here it says, in example 2, it says, write a function rule as shown by the table, okay? So here they gave us 4 examples. These are functions, okay? When y, or the output, is equal to 5 times the input, okay? Then that's for A. Then for B, you have the output is equal to the input divided by 5. And then for C, you have the output is equal to the input plus 4. And then for D, the output is equal to 10 times the input, okay? And so these are our answers. We want to see which one of these match, okay? So let's take a look at the first one. We're just going to randomly do the first one and the third one, okay? So let's go. If 5 times 1 is equal to 5, okay, that checks out. Well, let's try this one. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. That checks out. Well, let's check this one. All right. Y is equal to 1 over 5 is equal to 1/5. That doesn't check out. Let's go 4 over 5. Definitely doesn't check out. Okay, let's take a look at this one. X plus 4. So then we have, that would be 1 plus 4 equals 5. That checks out. Well, let's look at number 4. 4 plus 4 equals 16. That doesn't check out. Okay, these two don't check out. Let's check this one out. Y equals 10 times 1 does not equal 5. It equals 10. And then when 10 times 4 will not equal 20. So A would be our answer, okay? Let's look at number 3. Number 3, here it says each output in the table is 5 more than twice the input. Find the missing input, okay? So here you have in your table input and output, and someone's missing, okay? And so they gave you the equation. Each output is, so the output is 5 more than twice the input. 5 more, 5 plus twice, 2 times the input, okay? And so with that information, you have what y is equal to. So therefore, you would plug that into the equation, and then you would isolate x to find the missing value, okay? And then you have the sample questions below. Be sure you give those a try to see if you have full understanding, okay? Now, for your assignment, okay, here, when we talk about the input-output, okay, we want to understand that the input-output represents a function, all right? In other words, an equation, okay? And so therefore, you have to be sure that you understand, recall your instructions on certain algebraic words into an equation, okay? Now, your assignment, as I stated before, we start with number 4, and it would go on to number 12, okay? You have 4 to 12, okay? All right, see you soon.